We have been asked if
Lightning Cleanze
can be used to clean uPVC and painted surfaces. The answer is yes. It is the fastest and most dramatic cleaning product we have ever used. Application is by dousing the surfaces with a Benz number 10 nozzle. In this video we're just using a
Benz Lightning Zap. Benz Lightning Cleanze
will drip onto the path and will have a cleaning effect, so we always allow a little bit extra and clean the paths as well. Pick out sections and work methodically. So the video is just about to go into ×4 speed to show you cleaning the rest of the elevation. Again, pick out sections on the elevation. It is better to work from the bottom up. This will get more chemical onto the surface. And a final rinse down, creating a curtain effect to ensure coverage. To finish application, we are covering the remainder of the paths. The chemical has been given 30 to 60 minutes for it to react, and it can now be rinsed off.
We're rinsing using our double rinsing nozzle. It spreads the water evenly and saves a lot of time on the job.
Pay attention as to not to direct the water flow into the soffit vent. Remaining organic residues will just rinse off. You need to match your nozzle to your power washer so it is not too high a pressure for the surface you are cleaning. The job is complete, and remaining stains will fade once the surface dries. Here we have some particularly bad fascia, soffit and gutters, as well as dirty glass and window frames. We're going to use the same process as before, that is to douse each section and leave the product there to react. We've sped up the video so you can see the cleaning effect in action. The surface gets cleaner and cleaner as the product reacts. And is ready for rinsing. Once rinsed, the windows are ready for cleaning with either pure water and a water-fed pole or a mop and squeegee. Thank you for watching, and please visit bensoftwash.com for more information.